Hi guys and welcome back. I hope you're doing well. So I just received my Allure Beauty Box for the month of August 2025. I thought we would unbox this together. I wonder what this is. I hope nothing is leaking on the inside, but let's unbox it and see what we got this time. Okay you guys, this is how it is on the inside, and let me show you the products. Okay, first item I see here in this box is this green tea seed hyaluronic serum. This is from brand Innisfree. This is a very little size. I see this item at TJ Maxx and Marshalls as well, but this size is tiny. I do love K-beauty items, and Innisfree is a very well-known good K-beauty brand. So this is what we have got. So here is this little serum is. I was trying to find price for this serum on Innisfree website. It is for free for some reason. Let me know if you guys know how much this cost. The full size is for $30. Okay, second item is this. This is Fresh Black Tea Advanced Eye Cream. Now this looks like a full size to me. I have used this eye cream in the past. I used to have dark circles, so I was trying different things what would work for me when I was going to school in Chicago around like 5 years ago. So I have used this eye cream as well that time, and actually it helped me with dark circles. And this is a full size, a really nice item to receive in the box, I guess. So yeah, I got this as well. I'm excited to try this again. It have really nice ingredients. You can wear it during the daytime as well. I mean, it is not irritating, or it don't have a lot of actives in it. So this is an exciting item to receive. Now this eye cream cost $74, which is crazy. It's a nice eye cream, but I would never pay $74 for it, to be honest. The texture is really nice and it's lightweight. Okay, and third item is this. Now what this is, BFC. I don't know which brand it is, but it calls BFC. This is their pearlescent taupe cream highlighter. So let's open this and see how it is. Okay, here is how the product is on the inside. The shade is little bit on a deeper side. I like my highlighter little bit lighter than this, but let's swatch it. Okay, it have like balmy texture. It is not that pigmented, I wanna say. Here you can see. Here is the swatch for it, you guys. I'm not that happy with this item, honestly. It's like whatever. Here is how it is. And this also looks like a full size of item. Now this product is from brand Beauty for Certain, and it goes for $20. And this one is in the color 08 Pearlescent Taupe. And when you open it up, here is the highlighter. It's a beautiful golden color, but I'm not a huge fan of this highlighter. I don't think I'm gonna be using it. But here you can see with the flashlight on, and here it is without flashlight on. Okay, then we also received this Blume Birds 12-pack acne patches. Now I don't know this brand, but you get 12 acne patches inside, and I will try it. I don't get pimples that often, so I'm not like so excited for it, but it's okay. So this set of 12 acne patches goes for $16.99, which is crazy. It's quite pricey, and I like the packaging. I thought it was cute. Okay, then next item is, okay, now this is an exciting item to receive. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. So this is a toner, and it's a mini size, but this is a nice size. It's not like very mini size, you can get a good feel of a product. So this is the size. It's a decent size, I want to say, and I love how Glow Recipe skincare smells. This smells exactly like their dewy drops. So yeah, I think this item is also exciting.
Now this product retails for $16 at Sephora, and I'm actually excited to have it in my life. Packaging is so cute and it smells like watermelon.
Okay, then this item, Tower 28, this is their JuiceBalm Tinted Lip Balm. Now this one is in the shade Mix. I did not choose my shade this time, so I didn't know what shade is coming, but this is Shea Butter Tinted Lip Balm, which looks like this on the inside. Here is the shade.
So here is the shade up close and it goes for only $16. I see it only on Revolve. So here is the swatch. I see people using it on the cheeks as well. I don't think it's nice for using on the cheeks because it's not that pigmented. Mine is in the shade Mix.
Overall, you guys, to be very honest, I'm not that impressed with this box, but I know that I'll use this eye cream, also this, and Tower 28 is a nice brand, but I know this product is not that expensive. So overall value of this box is not like a lot, but this is all what we have got this month.
So total value for this box is $127. I did not include it in its free serum price yet. So let me know if you guys know how much this little serum cost, but I'm sure not a lot. I also thought I would show you guys products I've been loving from previous boxes. I love this House Labs by Lady Gaga lip gloss. It is so nice, not sticky at all, and I use it quite a lot. And this one is in the shade Guava. Then also I absolutely love this blush as well. I keep it in my purse. It is really nice for on the go. You can use it on the lips and also on cheeks as well. And this color is so beautiful and vibrant. And I noticed with this product that it is pretty long wearing as well, which I really like a lot. So yeah, I would say this blush is very nice. Great formula. And also this Loon Nectar serum I have used a couple of times. I love hyaluronic acid on my skin and this serum is actually pretty good. It is very hydrating. So I thought I would show you guys that this serum is nice as well. I also use this Vanilla Baby Luxury Baby Oil. I think we received it in June's box. Now this oil smells really nice and it is very shimmery, but it's so hard to get the oil out. It is so annoying. I hate this packaging. The formula is pretty good. I want to say it is hydrating and it smells beautiful, but the packaging is so annoying, which is why I don't use it that much.
Yeah, this is all what we have got, you guys. Thank you so much for watching me today. I hope you enjoyed watching this little unboxing, and I'll see you soon with my next one. Take care and bye bye.